Hello everybody and welcome to my new video vlog. It's been a while because my camera is shitty. So I'm gonna make a new one even though it's horrible quality. And I'm not at home, I'm in Scania, bitches. Hell yeah. And Scania is the south part of Sweden for those who doesn't know. Whew. So, this is outside where my grandma and grandpa lives. It's dark now. You know, I shoot the video log when it's night-ish, cause that's when all the danger is here. There's a lot of robbery, there's a lot of assaults, beatings, whatever, you know, usual stuff. So it's kind of like an adrenaline kick to walk outside in the evening, and it's fun. Well, what can I say? I love Scania. It's my second home, you know, because, well, this is where half of my family comes from. And we have a bird's nest swing. It's so fun. No, I'm not 22. I don't feel a day older than 17, maybe. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, in the next clip you're gonna see, I'm gonna show you a playground, which is really big. So I guess this theme on this video log is playgrounds, I guess, and Scania. So kind of feels shitty because I'm 22, but yeah, whatever. I mean, I'm still a kid, at least I think so. And I might not be able to show you the skate park, which is huge, but maybe another day. In that case, I'm gonna skate it myself. So, yeah. Next clip. See what I can show you. Bye. Hi everybody, this is Christina once again, and I promised to show you a playground, and I will. There's some kind of bridge there, and it's super high. It's actually really big. Slide. It's actually in the size of the buildings, and we have swings and everything. They actually have a handicap swing, which is for handicaps. So it's awesome, and I have no idea what the hell this is, but it's cool. And that's turning torso, which is just pure business buildings. And I'm gonna go by slide. Hi everybody, I'm in the top of the slide. So awesome! I'm in the top. And it's a long way down. Just warning, I'm shit scared. Oh dear God, I'm going to die. Okay, I can't do this. I can't. I'm going to die. I'm gonna die. Åh gud vad äckligt! One heart attack later and I'm out. Bye bye.